Howdy y'all, I'm in the welding rig truck, gonna get it fixed, gonna get that molding replaced that y'all remember from when the truck was picked up, so let's get to it. The two pieces of molding are the piece of molding, if y'all remember, that were scuffed up and damaged when I went down to pick up the truck, and the dealership didn't catch it on their inspection of the truck when they got it from the manufacturer. So I'm driving all the way from Los Angeles down to Costa Mesa surface streets because the welding machine has been chained down through the pallet that it's on and not bolted down. So that's why I'm taking surface streets, and beach is a great way to get on down with not as many signals. There's some other ways to get down there. So I'm taking beach, but I'm taking this slight little detour. I'm not stopping or pulling over, but I'm looking at all the Christmas decorations at Knott's Berry Farm. Knott's Merry Farm will be happening soon, and it's just really pretty out, all the pretty decorations. I have some very wonderful memories here with my very best friend, and it was just taking me back as I took this little jaunt right through Knott's Berry Farm, just looking at everything again, and it didn't stop, didn't park or nothing. I was headed down to Costa Mesa, but I had to just pull through here really quick because it looked amazing, and I have a lot of memories here with my very best friend. So it was very special, and just drove on through, and I was right back onto Beach Boulevard and got to see some pretty decorations for Christmas. Now, they did replace the parts, and it took about 4 hours for them to replace it, but that's fine. I just waited at the dealership and then drove all the way back to Los Angeles, another several hours, surface streets. Even though it's not a long distance, when you're taking surface streets, it takes a very long time. But anywho's, got it all fixed. Everything was great. I had a ton of coffee there because they have a coffee machine, so I just had coffee left and right, which I normally do anyways. But it was nice, easy drives. Got the truck out and moving, just about ready to get everything put together. Won't have to worry about taking surface streets everywhere anymore. The welding machine will be bolted down instead of chained down through the pallet. So everything's looking great. Everything's coming together wonderfully. It's taken a little bit longer than I expected, but all the little hiccups are being ironed out. Anything that has had an issue is getting fixed, so that's all great. I'm very happy about it. It should be very, very soon that everything's going to be permanently mounted onto the truck, so I'm very excited for it.